Hi guys, so I get sent stuff all the time, and today I just took a bunch of stuff that I got sent and decided to create a look for you, and this is the look. So join me, shall you? Yes, you shall. So I'm starting with a Glow Formula Skin Hydrator. This is new from KIEHL'S. It came out like, I wanna say a couple weeks ago, and it's kind of got a tint to it, like a taupey tint. And I've been putting it on before, and it smells like a little fruity. It has pomegranate extract and it instantly illuminates the skin and provides antioxidant protection. So it's 99% naturally derived ingredients, and I just like the way it makes my skin look after putting on my skincare. So I put on my skincare a long time ago, and now it's on and poppin'. So KIEHL'S, way to go. Mechanical eyebrow pencil. SANIA'S brow bar in New York. I don't know, sometimes I just get this stuff and I just use it and I like it. So SANIA'S brow bar, I'm using a mechanical eyebrow pencil, and I like it because the texture is, it doesn't tug at my brow area. It's pretty soft, but just dry enough that it doesn't swipe off. Do you know what I mean? If you use brow stuff, you'll know what I mean. Okay, so we got some brows. You know what I'm gonna do? This is Marc Jacobs Highliner Gel Eye Crayon, and this is in Rococo. So I'm actually gonna put this all over the lid of my eye as almost like a primer. So I'm just gonna be really like crazy with it, like not careful, and then just blend it like that with my finger. Can you guys imagine not using a brush? I'm using my finger. Oh my God, and I'm messy and not, you know, calculated about my application. This is a really nice formula that you can play with. In the business, in the industry, they call this playtime. And so this has a lot of playtime, but then it sits still and it won't move. So I'm just gonna, again, just like kind of reinforce a little more color. And I'm using this as my primer. It's a really easy pencil to use and it's really pretty. I'm obsessed with that color, Cocoa. Hey, Cocoa. Okay, so next I'm gonna use LILAH B. This is her B.stunning Palette Perfection Eye Quad. Super neutral palette. A classy brand, this LILAH B. So it swipes open like this. It does weigh like, it definitely has like some weight to it, but I think it's really beautiful. There's a really light color, this kind of icy white. I'm gonna place that under my brow bone, again with my finger. Guys, can you believe that I'm using a finger? Like, not to flick off somebody in traffic. It's insane. Okay, this is just a little Jenny Patinkin brush, but I'm gonna take that medium color. So we use the lightest color, I'm using the medium color. I'm gonna kind of just go with the medium color in my crease. Oh my God, am I gonna be like really into this palette? I think I am. Wow. So like just a light little matte taupe to get you in the mood. And then I'm gonna take that dark color and then I'm gonna kind of press it all over the Cocoa, like so. And it's very similar to the Cocoa. So we just are like reinforcing that. Then I'm gonna take the Jenny Patinkin, I'm gonna take the darkest color and kind of just lightly just kind of scribble all over. Darken it up a little bit. So far I'm really digging all these products. Now I've never used any of these before. Well, I did use the KIEHL'S thing. Next I'm gonna take Marc Jacobs' other eyeliner pencil, and this is in Brownie. And I'm gonna use it as an eyeliner, legit eyeliner. So now we're coming into a problem. The problem is I really like the way that these eyeliners glide on the eye so easily. And for people that have a little trouble with makeup, these are the kind of eyeliners that you wanna use, are the ones that glide. But here's my dilemma. When I love something, I put it in my kit and then I no longer have it. So like my actresses look gorgeous, but then I'm like reduced to the Hunchback of Notre Dame. So I think that's what's gonna happen. Marc Jacobs, I'm just gonna tell you, I will be putting these in my kit because they are so easy to use. It's insane. It's insane. This is an ultra skinny gel liner. So they made a really teeny one. Let's see how that works if I were to like get in there really close to the lash line. or under the lash line even. Yeah, this is like super fine and again, really easy to put on. So I'm into that. I'm using this for my water rim. What's nice about this is it's so small, and sometimes when you put it in your upper water rim, it can get all over the water rim, and this is just sticking to the lash area with really where you want it to go. All right, now I'm gonna take their other black eyeliner. This is the bigger one, Highliner Gel Eye Crayon, and this is in blacker as well. And I've decided I'm gonna take the brownie and I'm gonna put it on my lower water rim because I'm really feeling these pencils and I feel like they're really easy to use, so I wanna see if it works on my water rim. Oh yeah. All right, so I'm super like in there, got a lot of stuff on. Now I'm gonna try, now everyone was talking about this is the Marc Jacobs mascara and I just threw away the box, which is unfortunate because I cannot read what it says because it might be the smallest. Oh my God. I wanna say major volume. Oh my God, I think I read it, major volume. So let's see how major this is. Let's see. It's pretty good, y'all. It's pretty good, y'all. I have always loved Marc Jacobs mascara, and I gotta say, I love this mascara. Yes, Marc Jacobs, yes, work, Marc Jacobs, work. So feeling it, Marc Jacobs. Feeling it. Love it. Okay, so I got this crazy Power Play foundation, dope cover effects, killing me right now how dope this is. Power Play, let's see what it's about. Oh, it's available now on coverfx.com. Remember that this line is vegan, clean, cruelty-free, and talc, mineral oil, gluten, fragrance, and paraben-free. And it's weightless feel, all-day play, Power Play. This is a matte foundation, okay? So we're gonna try to find my color. Let's try. I think I am this color. Wouldn't that be crazy if this was my color? Okay. No. G40. This is like bingo. Okay, let's try N50. Okay. This might be a little. This might actually be good. People, we found it. I'm obsessed with CoverFX's primer. I was trying to use products that I haven't used before in this, but I'm just telling you that I'm obsessed with it. And I love it so much. They have a bunch of primers for any of your skin concerns, like, you know, redness and calming and mattifying and yeah. So this is a little, I think I was right. I think I know because my other color is a 40 or 45. But I'm really into this. It's really pretty. And we're gonna do the under eyes with something else. But this has a nice coverage. It's like more of a medium coverage, but it feels really light. And I'm feeling it, dog. I'm feeling it, CoverFX. Yes, CoverFX, work it, CoverFX. What am I taking? Oh, Shape Tape by Tarte Cosmetics. Everybody is obsessed with this stuff. So I got it all, every color I could get my hands on. And now I'm gonna try it on myself. I think it's too light. Bummer. Well, let's see. Let's just see the formula. I mean, oh, I see why people like it. It doesn't, remember we were talking about playtime before? It has playtime, but I can feel that the playtime is, really? I think more time. Another 20 minutes? Guys, the biscuits are burning. I wish we were making biscuits, Ryan. All right, so it's not my exact color, like it's a little light, but I feel like it looks pretty good. I see why people like it. It has a small amount of playtime, and then it kind of just sits on the skin and doesn't move, which is what you need under the eyes. So I'm feeling it, dude. This Kevyn I can't even speak. This is Grapevine. It's a Kevyn Aucoin blush that I'm obsessed with, and it has this kind of gradation of color. So if you're feeling like you want to go light, you go light. If you want to go a little darker, you can go a little darker. I'm going to go kind of in the mid-range. And it's just this really pretty hue. And all of the colors are really pretty. And they go on really nice. I'm just blending. I'm now blending the foundation with the blush. Like I kind of want to blend them both so it looks like my own little flush from within. It's just me. Since I'm going for this mattifying look, I'm gonna set it all up with a Cover FX. This is their mattifying spray. Ooh, I got that. You hear that? Ooh. Okay, hold 8 to 10 inches away. Keep your eyes and mouth closed while spraying and stop talking, girl. Keep it quiet, girl. Mattify the kitchen, then we mattify ourselves. So this is a setting spray that's also gonna be mattifying. So I didn't use any powders today. A lot of people like kind of wanna stay away from like more piling on when it's hot. So this kind of now is giving me a dewy look, but it's going to dry. So then we should just go for a lip color now. So I was thinking about using this. This is called Boy Gorgeous from Marc Jacobs. From Mike Jacobs. His brother Matt came out with a lipstick line. And wow, I didn't realize that was what was going on. Whoa, I love it. Yes. Wow, I don't know what to say to myself. Self, you look pretty good. So this is just all new products that I have been sent. No one's paying me. They also sent me this lip gloss. I wonder if I should go for it. It's like, just to add a little wetness to this. Well, they got that mint finish. I love a mint finish. If I were to do a gloss of my own, it would definitely have a mint finish. Well, this is it. This is some new products that I've never used. And I gotta tell you, I stand by all of them. I'm really into this. Thank you so much to Marc Jacobs, to KIEHL'S, to Cover FX, to Tarte, to Kevyn Aucoin for sending me all this gorgeous stuff. And now I'm just gonna have some LaCroix and chill. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you to, this is from Stella Dot. It says self-made, super cute. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to subscribe. Don't forget to comment below and tell me what you guys wanna see. I want to help you. Help me help you. Bye.